Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The text panel lets you add text fields to individual photos and entire pages. To include captions with photos, click to select the photos to which to add the text within the image preview area. Then click the Photo Text checkbox at the top of the panel to enable it. Then use the drop-down to the right to select the type of text caption to show. You can select from a variety of metadata-based captions to automatically create captions, or you can select the custom text choice to type your own photo captions. If you want to create your own custom text and/or metadata combinations, you can select the Edit choice from this drop-down menu to open the Text Template Editor dialog box. Here you can click into the Example field and type your own custom text, as well as insert desired metadata fields. To add your own text, click into the desired spot in this field and then type the text you want to show. To insert a metadata field into the example field, click to place the insertion marker at the desired place within the example field. Then use the drop-downs in the image name, numbering, EXIF data, and IPTC data sections to select the metadata field to insert. If needed, you can then click the adjacent Insert button at the right end of the selected drop-down to add that metadata field to the location you selected in the example field. When the example field shows the custom caption you want to save as a new preset, click the Preset drop-down at the top of the dialog box, and then choose the Save Current Settings as New Preset command to open the New Preset dialog box. Type a name for the preset, and then click the Create button to save it and close the dialog box. Note that you can also use the Text Template Editor dialog box to edit, rename, delete, and reset text presets. To do this, open the Text Template Editor dialog box once again. Then select the name of the preset to edit, rename, or delete from the preset drop-down at the top of the dialog box. If you want to edit the selected preset, then make your changes within the dialog box. To then save your changes, click the Preset drop-down again, and then choose the Update Preset Name choice from the drop-down menu. To rename the selected preset, choose the Rename Preset Name command from the Preset drop-down instead, then enter a new name for the preset into the dialog box that appears, and click the Rename button. To delete the selected preset, select the Delete Preset Name choice from the Preset drop-down, and then click the Delete button in the Confirm dialog box that appears. To restore the default presets if you edited and saved changes to one of those, select the Restore Default Presets command from the Preset drop-down instead. You can click the Done button in this dialog box to close it when finished if needed. To then specify how far away from the photo to offset the field, use the Offset slider. To align a photo text caption with the photo, check the Align with Photo checkbox under the Offset slider. Then click Above, Over, or Below within the text panel to choose where the caption appears in relation to the photo. If you select the Custom Text choice, a photo text field appears next to the photo in the area you specified if the selected photo cell has no image. If it already contains an image, then the field will appear empty. Either way, you can click into the field to replace the text or type your own custom text. To add text to a page, check the Page Text checkbox in the text panel. Then use the Offset slider to set the offset of the text field in the page from the selected side. Then click either the top or bottom button to set where to place the text field in the page. Then replace the text in the text field with the text you want to display within the page.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.